Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker, where we share amazing iPhone tips and tricks to make your life easier. If you're someone who doesn't want to miss an alert or prefers a visual cue, the iPhone's LED flash for alerts can be a game changer. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable this feature quickly, so let's get started. But before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you can stay updated with our latest tutorials. First, head over to the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This is where you will find all the tools that make your iPhone more user-friendly. Under Accessibility, tap on Audio/Visual. Now here's the key part. Scroll down and tap on LED Flash for Alerts option. On the next screen, tap the switch to turn it on or off based on your preference. Turning on the toggle will enable the LED Flash for Alerts option, while turning the toggle off will disable this feature. If you enable it, you will see an option to use LED flash only when your iPhone is in silent mode. Turn that on if you prefer visual alerts in quiet settings. Here, you can also choose to have the iPhone flash when the iPhone is unlocked by turning on this toggle. Once this feature is set up, you can test it by receiving a notification to see the LED flash in action. And that's it. You have just learned how to disable or enable LED flash for alerts on your iPhone. Whether you want it for convenience or accessibility, it is a simple feature that can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and let me know in the comments what feature you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in our next video.